Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Quick and fast, NEWLINK, nothing too long. Some viewers and subscribers, video where go run viral. Zin, the other day, video go run viral. With you to go say, yo, you want to come become gunman, look a boy, look a baby boy. Say you want to become gunman and this and that and do this to police and because that and that. See? Yeah. You know me not say nothing about it, people. Because I don't like them thing there. No, I don't say nothing about it. But you know why I go talk to people? Because these Jamaicans who send out them video like when I take the thing for joke or I take the thing for fun. I'm going to make them know straight up say, yo, look at. They are not a joke. They are not a fun thing. They may a serious thing I want to do with them smartphone. I want to take on a video them thing. See? Because when I see new video come send to me, you know, people, with them two look sitting up on bike, boy, them a listen intense song. And boy, one about, yo, give me a light up, light up my thing, and I cuss up body or something, while the other one did their light. Even if it's a joke thing, and that's some fake something, them build up people, they may not a joke. Me take them thing as serious. See? Me take them thing as serious. So you see any Jamaicans out there who take them phone and I try to video them something for fun. Or wife or not give them look a youth there, look a picnic there, look a baby there. Them something that for burn. You see what I do? A straight attack for you know. You see what Uno I do? A straight attack for Uno. See it? Because them thing are not a fun thing. Them thing are not a play thing. Them thing are not a joke thing. You see me? Look for the thing. Eh? When I see video people buy it there. They look at something then did upon bike. With the light and the wheel on him wallet. You can see on the first him I do it people. On the first. From the way you see him wallet people answer the light and a light up him thing and up. On the first. See? But I'm glad say that video go out there people. I'm glad say reach for all media site in Jamaica. I'm glad say them do them investigation for find them kids there and locate them and find the parents of them. And want them find the perpetrators who they behind the video and thing. See it? Because it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Eh? When you brought the look of you them we are and trade them we are you know. See it as I say people, even if them want to come say now I found fake set they did have. It's not a good example for teach the youth them or set them for do. Intense song a play and it a rock to it on bike like them a song called old skank of them you know. You can see the seriousness for the look of boy, especially the one for the backing of people. See? When I see the video, I can't believe. Then they look one day front of the bike now, him have the thing like him not like it thing good. But after you see smoke a pit out of it. Smoke coming out of it, you know. And then me know one of them roll them something there. So the person who roll them something and the other one about now actually light up in weed. And I cuss up in bad word. So you think say them a play thing? You think them a joke thing? You need to think smart. Whether you want to look at teenager who have video that something and not do it for fun, or you want to look at youth, think smart because I'm sure once you're older than them, because I hear the voice in the background afterward before the video finish. See? I'm hear your voice, I know say you're not look at pitney. You're youth, you're in your teen or you're in your 20s, but one thing I can't tell you now. You see when I do want to take it for joke or fun, it's not no joke or no fun to me. I know say to the real viewers and the subscribers them out there who see them thing. See? When you see what rate we country in right now. When we are trying to fix things, when we are trying to make things work better. But Uno come now for this try with thing with something like them. See? Because we now set no example for the younger ones. Because this is not no example. This is not we overtrain the youth them. This is not no overteach the youth them. But have light and I go light up. Jaja sees, Jaja knows people. Honestly, you know, I don't believe in a baby pitney in people and that's something I support. But you see all them money, they want some slap out of one belt, man. See? And you see the person now who have it, you know fan belt people. You know fan belt. You ever go to school and they have fan belt or coat tail it. That is the way you want to get some with. See? Whether you want fan belt or some coat tail, the person who have it or the person who build it and give them it. See? That it want to get some lashing, to get some slapping, to get some snin with. What kind of example you set? As I say, I hope them fine you. See, because I say we are the child agency and everybody you know come forward and you know what I mean, see it publicizing at the media side them and say them want fine you. But I say I pray and I hope them fine you. I want them deal with you the way how you're supposed to be deal with. No joke thing. See? Yeah man. But you take out phone and a video and you send it out to you know. Look at same thing then they on bike a rock. Like them are some big man. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK, what is really going on in this world? You come just like the one the other day. They look one if you ever Beavis. You understand? Yes, they look one if you have Beavis, you come and say, yo, a gunman you want to be. You know, want to be the police. But me can't see it, you have a look like you have a look some problem there, but I can't tell you. Parents, group them up. Parents, gird them up. Parents, keep them around. Oh no. Parents, stop make them loose. Even though we have some parents out there, but we join and do it for fun too. And watch them get video, watch them record and laugh when it happen. We have some parents like that. Because we have some careless one, who don't know how to set an example to the younger ones. Then yeah, we have them type of parents there in Jamaica. See? But that one thing I can tell you, parents, gird up the youth them. Parents, take control of them. See? Watch over them. Because at the end of the day, you make them go astray. 5, 6, 7, 8 years down the line, when they then turn out to something else, and when they then start to some different type of things, or when they get a phone call and you say, whoa, you know, say such and such happened to such and such, and you start bawling and start crying. But you now pray back and remember the days them where you did that do when they did young and did so. And when you allow them figure on certain people who you know say you push them to do certain things. You don't pray that though. But you stay there and pray that. One thing I can tell you now. Take control. Take control, because if you don't take control, control I go take a uno. See it? Take control. It's not a good look, my people. Me no feel good none at all to see it. You know what I mean? The thing sent to me, people. I'm there and I say, you know me, I look at it and I say, boy, NEWLINK. If you talk about that, something NEWLINK. And when I say NEWLINK, you know, say definitely need to talk about it, NEWLINK. Because I see it get out and attacking boss. A straight attack for them. I say for the person who have video, for the person who know about it and I laugh with it before it then put it out there. See? For all of them a straight attack. For them look at you then now, boy, I don't know, them look at baby something there. Because look at baby them in the people. I look at pickiness and thing them. See? But you see the way them a grow up, you can't see it. So the way they live it, where them a grow up in, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. But Jaja sees and Jaja knows. That's all I can say. And if the parents they don't want things smart and gird up the youth them and get them under control, trouble. And then I need nothing more to say. My viewers and my subscribers, big up on yourself, people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Just do the right thing with people. You understand? Do the right thing and protect the youth them. Peace out. Fully attack. Blessings.